I'm speaking.
वेरी वेल सेड सुरभि, एक्चुअली होना यही चाहिए, लेकिन लड़कों को ये समझाना बहुत जरूरी है। कई बारी क्या होता है, अगर आपको पता हो, देयर इज अ स्टिमुलाई कंसेप्ट। जब हम लोग डॉग्स को ट्रेन कर रहे होते हैं, तो हम उनको ना अगर उनको भूख लगी है तो वो घंटी बजाएंगे एंड देन दे गेट अ ट्रीट, है ना। तो हमें थोड़ा सा ज्यादा देना होता है ताकि वो एक लेवल पे आए। जब हम स्कूल में भी थे तो लोग बोलते थे कि आप 100% के लिए ट्राई करोगे तब 50% आएंगे। तो हमको ना उन बच्चों को, उन लड़कों को ज्यादा समझाना पड़ेगा, सो दैट टुमारो दे कैन एक्चुअली बी ऑन द सेम लेवल। एंड गाइज, अबाउट दैट, बिकॉज जेंडर इक्वालिटी की बात आई है, मेरी बायो पे जाओगे तो नीचे ऑनरेबल मेंशंस हैं। ऑनरेबल मेंशंस में एक क्लब का नाम है जेंडर इक्वालिटी, और वो हमारी सुरभि मैम का है। उधर बहुत अमेजिंग अमेजिंग रूम्स होते हैं, मेरे को रोज जाने जाके सुनने में बहुत मजे आते हैं। So do follow that as well. It's gonna be amazing in the next room. I'm gonna be there and not host any rooms over here. Thank you, Surbhi.
Raj, I just have to say one more line. I wish there are
Uh,
more men like you in this world.
See, again, मैं स्पेशल नहीं हूं, मैं नॉर्मल हूं। बाकी अब नॉर्मल है, उनको नॉर्मल कर देंगे। ठीक है, लेट्स नॉट गो टू दैट नाउ। ओके, एमडी जा चुके हैं। वी गोना गो टू प्रेरणा, गोना हियर प्रेरणा आउट। प्रेरणा, व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द टॉपिक?
Okay, so let's talk about sex. After all, I'm an adult and we all are its result. Then why can't we talk about sex? After all, we all do it or will do it in our lives. Then why can't we know about it? After all, it's 21st century and still it's a taboo. Then we all discuss it, we all talk about it, but without using the word sex. So why? Because we are Indians and our culture don't permit us. But why are we forgetting the Kama Sutra and the Kama Deva? Aren't they part of our country mythology? Then let's talk about sex. Because no, I'm not pervert, but let's talk about it. So one day, one of my sister asked me by seeing a ad. She's very small, so I just in a I can't literally explain it to her. Just ignored it because at that time I was not knowing about it. So my nana, he told me like go to the puja room and take a closer look at the Shiva Lingam. So when I growed up, not when I was small, so he just tried to explain the openness in a society that is in the long lost times. The basic Shivalinga and the Shakti forms are designed based on the primordial concept of men and women. The Linga and Yoni, which actually resembles the manhood and the womanhood. And when the linga merges with yoni, there's the biggest energy created, life itself. So, in most Shiva temples where the residing deity is a lingam, it is always with a yoni, thus gently spreading the message of common flock. So, my attempt of this tiny story was based on this concept. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Prerna. This actually was told to me by one of my brothers. He used to study a lot, yeah. तो वो बुक्स वगैरह बहुत पढ़ते थे। तो उन्होंने मेरे को कहा तूने शिवलिंग देखा? एंड आई नेवर नेवर थॉट इट्स ये शेप है और व्हाट इज द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट। तो ही एक्चुअली टोल्ड मी कि एक बार बैठ के आराम से देखियो व्हाट द शेप ऑफ अ शिवलिंग इज। एंड जब मैंने देखा, देन आई रियलाइज व्हाट प्रेरणा एक्चुअली सेड कि हाँ यार, तो दिस इज टू नॉर्मल फॉर अस। हमें तो बचपन से ये सिखाया गया है। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि लोग कहीं ना कहीं और ले गए। ये भी बताता हूँ कैसे। जब पार्टीशन, सॉरी पार्टीशन कह रहा हूँ, जब ब्रिटिश कल्चर आया इंडिया में, 200 साल उन्होंने राज किया। सो एक्चुअली ये सृष्टि ने मेरे को बताया था कि इन वहां पे ना लड़कियों को बहुत ज्यादा कंट्रोल करके रखा जाता था कि उन्होंने कॉर्सेट पहन के रहना है। उनका हर एक समर सीजन, एक शादी का सीजन आता था, दे वर एक्चुअली बिड फॉर एंड ऑल दी स्टफ। तो जब वो लोग इंडिया में आए ना, तो उन्होंने इतना ज्यादा हर एक चीज को स्टिग्मेटाइज कर दिया कि ये तो इसी हिसाब से होगा। एंड इंडियंस एक्चुअली फॉलोड दैट थिंग एंड हैव बीन फॉलोइंग दैट थिंग टिल डेट। वो लोग अब ग्रो कर गए हैं उस चीज से, लेकिन हम वहीं पे रह गए हैं। सो उस चीज की वजह से जो एक्चुअली इंडियन कल्चर था, जो इंडियन रियलिटी थी, वो बहुत पहले रह गई। तो हम लोग अगर बोले तो वी आर मिक्स ब्रीड्स नाउ, वी आर हाफ इंडियंस एंड हाफ ब्रिटिशर्स, बिकॉज दैट इज द obsolete knowledge that we have in our minds now. Also with that thought, I'm gonna go and welcome my friend Mr. Gaba. Mr. Gaba, what's up?
हेलो 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 मैं आ गया गंदी बातें करने के लिए
Chalo, let's listen to Mr. Gaba and
no
what
no
he
no
has
no no
to say
I no
about the
I
topic.
want to first listen to others because
No, no, I'm not doing
I've
that
just
today.
no because yesterday I'll tell you so मैं बोला that you know I will wait and I was on and then I slept and it was like oh god and then so no today I'm awake but I want to listen to a few people and then
Perfect. Chalo, let's go to
I'm
people.
here. I'm here. Pakka. Hi,
Sej,
Perfect.
Srishti. Hi, Surbi. Hi, Anurag.
Sej,
I need to
Yes,
emphasize.
who's this?
this is Priyanka.
Hi, Priyanka. Yes, tell me.
Is it possible for me to go uh, before some of the other people because I need to be
Are you
somewhere?
gonna leave?
Yes, I have to leave.
Go ahead. Go for it then. Aap karo.
But
And
only
guys, after Priyanka, I'm gonna reset the room. So Priyanka, go for it.
okay. But before that, I really apologize. जो मेरे सामने थे उनको sincerest apologies. I cut the line and came before you guys. But I really wanted to talk on this topic, but I have to be somewhere else. So, huh. So I was looking at this topic, and the first thing that came to my mind is, जो कोटेशन में आपने लिखा है ना गंदी बातें करे तो मुझे उसको गंदी बातें को आप मतलब रिप्लेस कर दो हिपोक्रेसी से चलो हिपोक्रेसी करें क्योंकि जब सेक्स आता है तब हमसे बड़ा हिपोक्रिट्स तो इस दुनिया में होते ही नहीं है मतलब वी आर अ पॉपुलेशन ऑफ over some around 3 billion people, the country with the second highest population in the world, and yet we are so ashamed to talk about sex. We are not ashamed to do it, to produce children year after year, forgetting that how it might have implications on the child's well-being, how it might have implications on the society. यू नो पर हमें बच्चे करने हैं पर कोई अगर उसके बारे में बोले तो उससे ज्यादा मतलब गंद कोई नहीं फैलाता एंड it is very I find it very disheartening that after everything we've talked globalization, we've talked about you know uh, influences, western influences, and yet I think whenever there are topics about sex, about women's bodies, like I was in Surbhi's room last night, and I think what was very interesting for me to again realize that how we look at sex, reproductive health, our needs as like a khichdi. We look at it like silos कि सिर्फ ठीक है सेक्स इज बस उठना है करना है बच्चे पैदा करने खत्म उसके बाद रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ हाँ ठीक है बच्चे पैदा करने हैं तो रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ पे कुछ ना कुछ उसके ऊपर असर पड़ेगा देन यू हैव अ बेबी okay it has some physiological changes and then again you're like if you want to have a second baby you go through that entire cycle. I think, and the sad part is even after, my parents, like, I see that dynamics in them where I do not have the data. It is just an observation, so I'm giving a disclaimer. I do not have the data, or rather the scientific data to prove that men have extended sexual urges than women. So I often feel that for my mother, like her sexual urges has died down, whereas sometimes from some of my dad's behavior I can understand that his libido is still very much alive, but he doesn't know what to do with it. So, and I've had instances. So the thing is that, these are things like we don't talk about geriatric sex, we do not talk about uh, premarital sex. Now we've started talking about it, but even though there's such a, hullabaloo about it, I mean, the only time people think that it's okay to talk about sex is when it fits, within the framework of marriage. And that for me is the biggest hypocrisy staying in a country that has the second largest population in the world. That's just my 2
sense. Thank you, and I'm sorry if I took too much time.
Thank you so much, Priyanka. I'm gonna let someone else talk about this. AB, do you want to take this?
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Geriatric sex is not talked about. There's so many aspects that we don't touch upon, and these are very crucial and important things to talk about. Like हम अब कभी ना ये सोचते ही नहीं कि हमारे parents भी sex करते हैं. There's always like this, oh my God, scarring thing. Oh my God, मेरे parents. There's so many incidences that my friends say, यार, I saw my parents like whatever kiss or something like that, and they get really affronted. मैं बोलती तुम्हें खुशी नहीं होती क्या कि तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स एक दूसरे से अभी तक like they're